So let me tell you guys about the May sales for Thrive Market, because I love online shopping at Thrive Market because they only have healthy foods. I love organic foods for my family, and I'm gonna get stuff delivered to my house anyway. I do it every day for Amazon, so why not just order my groceries, my healthy groceries for my kids online too, and get it delivered straight to my door. Anyone have any tips for getting the kids to not bite the paint off of the side of their beds? It's just not healthy. So anyone know? And they do it all over the whole thing. I need to figure that out. I stripped my son's bed. He had a little accident. I already started putting a bunch of laundry in here. So this is one of the kids' blankets. This is the mattress cover. These are a couple of things that were hanging in my bathroom that I'd sprayed with Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater. The stain is gone from these pants. I want the product to be washed out, even though it says that it's like not harmful in a bunch of different ways. That's great. The clothes in general still need to go in the wash, so I'm gonna put those in there. I have a bunch of stuff like this, like still on hangers that I bought that I haven't taken like the little tags and stuff off of. So many of these little things, I just do not feel like taking them all off. I hate how many come on kids' clothing. It's actually quite excessive. It's on every shirt on both sides. So you can't just like take them off the hanger and put it in the wash. Like, it's actually quite crazy. It's too much. That's why this hasn't gotten washed, and I haven't put it on my kid. Love these scent beads. So good. Look at this super cute like alligator sweater that I got from Nordstrom. It's by Miles the Label, and it's a 3T, so both of my boys have had this sweater. And I'm gonna wash all this stuff on hot. I need to clean my washer, I know. Good morning. I need to wash my face and do all the things before I go get my coffee. Keep my hair back. I'm too hungry to do this right now. I think I'm just gonna do this later. I'm so hungry. Let's go. I have to take all of this to the kitchen. This is everything I just had in my hands from the baby's bedrooms. Okay, Mama, okay. What's the matter, Mama? You just had a milk, right? You need to drink more? More? I made this coffee a little bit ago. I want some sort of flavor in here. So I'm just gonna try a little bit of this, but I still need to heat it up. So we'll put this in and then put it in the microwave. Open this. I never tried one of these before. Look how she will not let go of my thumb. I'm doing everything with 4 fingers over here. I'm actually, yeah. Shake, 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 shake.
Coffee.
Yeah, coffee. Let's try it.
I
I hope I like it, otherwise it's just this coffee wasted. I have to put it in the microwave. Wait, Mama. Oh, you want another one? You want another one, Mama? You want one? I thought can you get her a big bottle from my nightstand? She has a bottle on my nightstand. Oh my goodness. Let's see how it is. Hold on, Lacey. Careful, baby. Blaze, no. No, 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 no. I don't want you to hurt your fingers, baby. Close, 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 close. And she's just taking notes because she's going to do the same thing in about 1 month.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Next to
Yes, sir. Thank you. Protein is okay. It doesn't taste like a coffee creamer flavor. It tastes like protein might. That's your bottle. That's from my nightstand, right?
Yeah.
No. We had a big day yesterday, so busy. We went to a lot of restaurants and stuff. Well, we went to Acai Jungle. I think I showed you that footage, and then we went to Islands as a family to eat because at Acai Jungle we just got like the coffee shakes.
Yeah.
They don't taste the way I remember them. Do they taste a little different to you over there?
You're just used to the caramel, not the out sugar.
No, I think it tastes like they use a lot of whipped cream but blend it up in the drink.
No, they use like some kind of, they put like cashew stuff in.
Cashews. So we had a really busy day. I was gonna vlog like getting unready for the day and end the video, and then I never made it to get unready. This vlog was supposed to be a follow me around all day yesterday type of thing, and we just had a family day. I think I might end the vlog here because yesterday was yesterday and today is today. Huh? I'm gonna come play Hot Wheels with you. He's counting all his Hot Wheels cars, and this is Blaze. He likes Hot Wheels just as much as Cash does. Kenya too, she's got one in her mouth right now. So he wants me to like count them and stuff. So she gave you the other one, Blaze. She gave you the other one.
She does go to the project.
As spotty as filming was yesterday, that's how it is being a mom of 3 and being out on the town. I really can't just like hold my camera and do a whole bunch. Even though I would have loved to show you guys my outfit, I had a lot of items on from Amazon, and my new Fendi bag, which I absolutely love. I got it for my birthday. Yeah, maybe I have like some picture of the whole outfit. I don't know, but I've been in my postpartum wardrobe making era. I always forget that I'm like postpartum, you know, like the feelings I'm having, the things I'm thinking, what I'm having to do to my wardrobe, and time management. Like I'm in my postpartum of all that because my youngest is at least 1 and the one older than that is 2, and I really never got a chance to have postpartum with my 2-year-old because I went straight into antepartum, being pregnant with Kenya. So I'm like just now realizing I'm postpartum with 2 kids. So there's like so much to be unpacked there, and I can tell like just like the things I think about, the ways I'm feeling, there's research been done on this, and maybe if I do some research on my postpartum era, like I can get some answers to how on top of things I don't feel, but like why when I have the same, you know, 24 hours in the day as everyone else. If you guys, huh? This is okay. I wouldn't do this again on purpose. Put the Core Power High Protein Vanilla Shake into my coffee as like the vanilla flavor. I wouldn't do this again. I just don't enjoy the flavor like this. Maybe the shake by itself I'll enjoy. Let's see. Oh, by itself it's better. It's sweeter. It's better. It does taste like, you can tell it has that like protein quality to it. The sweetness doesn't necessarily taste like cane sugar, you know? I actually really like these. I'll link these down below too. This is nice to have after a workout. I would actually enjoy this. Huh?
Mom. Mom.
Huh?
Open it, please.
What do you want?
Open it, please.
Open?
Yeah.
You want Daddy to get you some breakfast?
Mom.
Hmm? You want that right now?
Ow.
Here, let's get one. Here, let me get one for you.
Ouch.
Okay, here. Hold
Open
on.
it, please.
I'm gonna open it right now for you. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We haven't had breakfast, as you can tell, but these are good for any time of the day. My kids love these. I get these from Thrive Market. They're an organic smoothie pouch. Such a good choice if you're on the go or if you just are lagging on breakfast like I am. For my kids, I also get this formula, and they've all taken really well to it physically. Like, it doesn't hurt their stomach. They're not throwing up all the time. It mixes fine with cold water, warm water. I really like this for all my kids now. Even my youngest is 12 months. You want one? Kenya wants. You want a Noka Mama? Oh, you want the applesauce. Cash likes the Thrive Market applesauce pouches. Here, Kenya, let me get this for you. Here she comes. You want one? Look, I had no idea. This wasn't my intention, but this video is totally changing. It wasn't the intention, but Kenya wants one of these too. Here you go, sweetie. She knows how to hold it and squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, and Cash has asked for applesauce. Hold on. Applesauce. Cash, I don't know if we have any more, sweetie. That was my first time ordering it, and you guys gobbled them all up. I don't know, baby. I'm looking. Oh, no. Baby, we don't have any cold.
Please, Ma.
Huh? Squeeze?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in your mouth, squeeze. Let me look in the pantry, okay? Hold on, Cash.
What do you want, some?
I know, baby. I don't think we have any more. I don't see any. You guys gobbled them all up. I'm so sorry, baby. Do you want one of these? We have a lot of these. It's not cold. Do you know how to twist this open yet, or you want Mom to do it for you?
I can do it.
You can do it? Okay. Blaze, can you give this to Cash? Blaze, give this to Cash. Thank you. This video changed. You know what? I got an email from Thrive Market. They told me there's a new sale going on. Let me see if I can read it for you guys. Will I be able to open it on my phone? Do I have enough space on my phone to open my emails? That's where we are. We're moving. I would love to share Thrive Market sales with you, and my phone is out of space. All the things. All the postpartum, squeezing everything out of me things, but I love it. All right, hold on, you guys. I'm trying to think if I can leave them in the kitchen area. You finished? Or you want more? More? Trying to figure out if I can leave them in the kitchen, but they're gonna go in the living room with their dad. Okay, let me go get my phone. How'd you get two? Hopefully it'll even load. Honestly, my phone is like out of storage. And it's like a whole 1 TB. I got the 1 TB or whatever. And I want a new phone so that I could have more space, and I haven't brought it out to use it. So you guys are gonna get $20 off your first 3 orders, plus a free $60 gift of your choice, which I think is so fantastic for you. Tell me what groceries you get. Is it groceries, or what? Are they giving you guys something that I don't know about? What is this free gift? I shop at Thrive Market online for my family. They deliver groceries, breakfast, lunch, and dinner and snack items directly to my door. Healthy stuff that I get to choose from, and I don't have to do the healthy stuff work, like read all the labels and stuff. It's just all that I have to choose from. So you'll see there's some organic items here. There's water, there's snacks, there's drinks. I love it. You will always get a discount if you use my link. Always, always, always. But in May, if you join Thrive Market, which is the online grocery store, the online healthy grocery store, you're going to get $20 off your first 3 orders. Plus, you get a free $60 gift of your choice. There's also some awesome stuff going on in May for you because you're my friend and you're going to be my family. When you join the Thrive Market family, you're going to get your last chance to shop our 25% off Friends and Family sale. So the Friends and Family sale dates are the 1st of May and the 2nd of May. Some of the top brands are like snack brands like you already have in your pantry, Go Squeeze, Simple Mills, Go Macro. And then later on in May, the 12th through the 16th, you're going to get 25% off of select bars and snacks. Join Thrive Market right now using my link and you will get this special May offer. We're actually in the middle of moving and I don't have time to do like a lot of scientific research on good foods. So when Thrive Market offers me good foods to buy and get delivered to my house for my family, I take that offer. This is something I truly stand by. It's helping me make better decisions for my family without having to do all the research myself. Right now, as a mom, if I don't drink this can of water that I got online from Thrive Market delivered directly to my door, if I don't drink this, it's highly likely that I won't drink any water at all today. You saw me chugging the coffee. The Death water is my favorite water because it's just so crisp. Ugh. And it's cold straight out of the refrigerator. I'm having the best time with water that I've ever had in my life. I'm serious. And I used to play sports in high school, so I had to drink a lot of Dasani water, right? And the water did the job, but it didn't taste like this. This tastes crisp and clear. So that's my box from Thrive Market. I get beverages, smoothies, mostly beverages and smoothies for my family and myself because it's a good way to make a better decision. I'm gonna link the sale here for you guys. It should all be written right here as well as I've said it in the video. Thank you for spending the day with me, a typical day with me, a mom of 3 and a wife. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.